Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Mr. Chairman, sir, I thank you for having permitted me to speak. Stop. The budget presented by our beloved Prime Minister of India is a mixed one which deserves both appreciation and criticism. Stop. Being the maiden budget presented by our Honorable Prime Minister, he can be excused this time with the hope that he will present a pleasant budget at least next time, provided he continues to hold the finance portfolio. Stop. It is worthwhile to take into account the comments made by various people belonging to various sections. Stop. The Chamber of Commerce people believe that instead of giving relief to corporate sector, government has taxed 30% minimum tax, which will hamper the growth of the corporate sector. Stop. This would offset the liberalization on depreciation allowance and would create a serious impact on the share market. Stop. The TV is no longer a luxury item and is a media for propagating government policies and programs, and it is a media to educate the illiterates who form a major part of the population of our country. Stop. Hence, the price rise is unjustified and unimaginable. Stop. The salaried people are the honest taxpayers in this country. Stop. They all expected a higher ceiling limit for tax eligibility, but no mention has been made. Stop. This has totally disappointed them. Stop. Of every rupee that accrues to the central exchequer, according to 1987-88 budget proposals, 4 paise only come through income tax. Stop. In this budget, it is worth to praise that housing and education have been given a boost. Stop. This will create a motivation among middle class and upper middle class to have their own shelter. Stop. It is a legitimate duty of the government to provide such shelter. Stop. In that case, our Prime Minister has made a sincere effort in this budget. Stop. I welcome this wholeheartedly. Stop. In the name of preservation of forest wealth, 35% duty will be levied on plywoods made from prime timber and wood products. Stop. It is not logical, as on one side you want to encourage housing and on the other side wood and its products would become costlier by this levy. Stop. This will cause a further hike in the cost of building construction. Stop. I feel this is penny wise, pound foolish. Stop. But our Honorable Prime Minister has made a humble plea that he invites suggestions from members and other conservationists. Stop. He should therefore revise his opinion on taxing wood products. Full stop. Over.